Imagine getting paid $100 by Google over and over again. For today's method, you won't need any skills or experience whatsoever, except you do need to know how to speak basic English. But if you guys are watching our video right now, then we assume that you know how to speak basic English. So you don't need to have any other skills aside from that. So you can easily participate and earn from today's method. Make sure that you don't tell anybody about this method. This should be our little secret since you discovered our channel. We will let you in on things that no one else knows about, and you can start earning like no one else does. Our method for today will help you make money by advertising. That is how this website makes money. Now this website wants to pay you $100 using Google, and we're going to show you how exactly you're going to need to do this so you can make your $100 right away. Our method for today wants you to give a top 10 article, like top weird and unusual things that exist on the internet. If you're able to provide that, they are going to be paying you your $100. But don't worry about creating the article or anything like that. And we're going to be walking you through the whole process step by step, and you need to follow very closely so you don't get confused or lost on how to make your $100. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First step is to make sure that you have a PayPal account, because that is how you're going to get paid. Once you've made sure that you have a PayPal account, we want you to go ahead on listverse.com. Now, if you scroll to the bottom part of the page, you will see Write and Get Paid under the More section. So go ahead and click on that to read more information. Now, as you can see over here, get paid $100. Do you want to earn money online? Listverse was built on the efforts of readers just like you. Readers who didn't have any experience as writers but decided to put a list together and send it in. So here's the deal. We will pay you $100 for your efforts. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to have English equal to that of a native speaker, a sense of humor, and a love for things unusual or interesting. It works like this. You write your list, 10 items per list minimum. You send it in. We reply and say, great, we'll publish it and send you your $100 by PayPal. Don't have an account? Just make one. It's easy and free. Or we reply and say, sorry, it isn't the sort of thing our readers will love. Give it another shot. Just remember, your list should be at least 1 or 2 paragraphs per entry. Either way, you win. Your list will be read by us and reviewed, and if it's amazing, it will appear on the front page of Listverse to be read by millions of people a month. We cannot accept lists from writers who do not have a PayPal account. This is non-negotiable. If PayPal doesn't support your country, please don't request alternative methods of payment. So as you can see, they really emphasize how you need a PayPal account to actually get started on this job. So please go ahead and make yourself a PayPal account if you don't have one yet, so that you can do this job and earn. It will literally only take around 5 minutes of your time, so make sure that you do that. So once you've read all about that, you're going to have to figure out the perfect topic or perfect submission, right? So first things first, we want you to go on google.com and type in blogging ideas and hit that search button. Now, scroll down a little more into all of the results, and we want you to focus on top blogging ideas, because these are what people want to read and what people want to see. This is what's going to give you good results and your $100. Let's focus on this one right here as an example for today's video. 35 blogging ideas that are guaranteed to be popular topics. So click on that, and this is what you should see on your screen next. Now we want you to look through all of the topics one by one and choose what you think will interest people the most. So make sure you make the right decision and that you choose wisely. You can choose either how-to guides, politics, bacon, beginner guides, and so many more. 35 to be exact. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Also, comment down below about what you think about today's video and if you love it. Now let's continue. How about we focus on bacon for today's video? As you can see over here, everyone loves bacon. That is right, that is true. Except for those who don't, of course. We respect you. You may be wondering, how are we going to create an article about bacon of all things that's going to get us our desired $100? We are going to tell you exactly how to do so. So make sure you guys are still following us, because this is the part that we get technical. And when it comes to the technical part, you guys need to pay more attention. We need you to go back to google.com. Once you're back on Google, go ahead and type in the search bar top 10 things you didn't know about bacon, since we decided on bacon for today's video. But if you ever want to make an article on a different topic, then feel free to do so. Once you have typed that in, go ahead and hit the search button. Let's click the very first result, which hits the spot just right. Literally, 10 things that you didn't know about bacon. Now this is the key to creating your article that you're going to send in and earn $100 from. Everything on this website, on this webpage, these are all the ideas that you're going to need for your very own article. Now that you know where to get ideas or where to get the list for your article from, you're going to have to start conceptualizing a thumbnail or a photo that's going to pop up along with your article. Something that will really draw people in. Because as you can see over here, all of the articles on this website has a photo accompanied with it that can really draw people in just by the photo. So this could be your make and break, really. Go back to Google once more. See, Google is our trusty friend for today. We need Google so much, and Google needs us. Now remember, when thinking about a thumbnail, it needs to be something that will spark some type of curiosity in the audience, or maybe even fear. The more intense, the better. Make sure that you touch on these people's emotions, because that is how you're going to get the people's attention. Your thumbnail needs to be the most crazy, most scary, most traumatizing thumbnail, so people will actually want to read your article. So go on and look up skin allergy on Google. We know this might be weird, but you better trust us. This is how your article is going to get accepted. We personally don't believe that bacon can cause skin allergies. Maybe for some it does, but no one else needs to know the reason behind our thumbnail except for just us. So go on ahead on images and look at all the images of skin allergies, and we need you to realize that this is what you need. This is it. When people see your thumbnail of a skin allergy and the title of your article being 10 things you didn't know about bacon, without even reading the article, people will right away ask themselves, is this why I always have allergies? Because I eat bacon? Should I just be a vegetarian? And then click on your article to read more, and boom, you get one person to read through it, and then another person to read, and another one, until you have so many readers who end up relieved to know that bacon has nothing to do with skin allergies at all, and that it was just a scary photo. Once you have your article written and prepared, and your very clickbaity photo prepared as well, we want you to go back to listverse.com and proceed to read through the rest of the rules stated on this webpage right here. Anyway, all you're going to need to do is send in the top 10 things that you didn't know about bacon or whatever topic you choose. send it in the Listverse along with the scary photo after reading their rules. And then once that's done, you can go ahead and claim your $100. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.